got 007's 2013. That's a 389. She's got 675. I just want to see what it looks like. We got 00 truck here.
Leave what you can. Leave what you can.
Psychic spies from China try to steal your mind's elation. And little girls from Sweden dream of silver screen quotation. And if you want these kind of dreams, it's Californication. It's the edge of the world in all of Western civilization. The sun may rise in the east, at least it's settled in a final location. It's understood that Hollywood sells Californication. Hey, your surgeon, very well to break the spell of aging. Celebrity skin, is this your gender? Is that war you're waging? Firstborn unicorn, hardcore softcore. Dream of Californication. Dream of Californication.
Never made it as a wise man. I couldn't cut it as a poor man stealing. Tired of living like a blind man. I'm sick aside without a sense of feeling. And this is how you remind me. This is how you remind me of what I really am. This is how you remind me of what I really am. It's not like you to say sorry. I was waiting on a different story. This time I'm mistaken for handing you a hug.
What's up, guys? Cam here. It's currently like 3:30 a.m. on a Sunday. Had yesterday off. I kind of like slept the whole day away. So I wasn't here right now. I'd be home, just laying in bed on my phone. So I started this job here on Thursday. I'm actually working on this truck for my uncle. This is my Uncle 00's truck. And I've done a bunch of work to this stuff. Just in May it came in. We got its manifold gaskets and everything redone, brand new bolts and all that. Everybody knows these Cummins are famous for popping the manifold bolts off. So it was supposed to be, sound for a little bit. It's got 675,000 miles on it, but recently it just blew its oil cooler. So the thing ended up filling the whole, coolant system up with oil and started blowing it out of the reservoir. So he limped the thing in here Thursday night, started working on it, needed parts, ordered parts. They were supposed to be here Friday. Parts didn't end up coming in until late Friday. They missed the gasket. It ended up being this whole fiasco. So 00 had to drive up to Westfield, Mass to get the oil housing mounting gasket for me. So I've got everything here now, and I figured, you know what, why not just get a jump on it, because otherwise I'd just be home. If you're new to the channel, like, subscribe, drop a comment. I'm gonna try to wake up, and we're gonna get into it, guys. Never a dull moment. Blade. We got our new oil cooler. I'm gonna be using gasket mix. We're not wasting any time. Pointing down. This is our new cooler. Obviously the writing on it. Orientation is gonna be as such. the right side up.
I can hardly wait to leave this place. No matter how hard I try.
This is just an anti-binding thermostat. You can't crack the cooler by tightening it too hard.
Turn off the TV and you scream at me. I can hardly wait till you get out my case. No matter how hard I try, you're never satisfied. This is not a home. I think I'm better off alone. You always disappear, even when you're here. This is not my home. I think I'm better off alone. Home, home. This house is not a 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 home. I'm better off alone. No matter how hard I try, you're never satisfied. This is not a home. I think I'm better off alone. You always disappear, even when you're here. This is not my home. I think I'm better off alone. Home, home. This house is not a 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 They say free when you're singled out. The red, well, it filters through. So lay down, the pain is real. When he
It is 9:30 a.m.
So late.
We are finished. Sir. So now we'll just have to run some coolant through it, flush it, fill it again, flush the oil, fill it again, get on with it.